Songwriting is tension and release. You set up an expectation, and then you make people wait just a second, and then you fulfill the expectation. Your best tool in the world is your ears. If you have ears and ideas, you can make anything happen. As an artist, you will never be satisfied. The trick is to take something good and bludgeon it till it's great, or set it aside and refine. In this masterclass, I want to share with you guys some performance tips, some songwriting tips, some studio tips. We're going to take my song Savior and walk through every step of the songwriting process. You can hear how it's doing a kind of rhythm, da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da, to add texture. The first lyric really ought to be compelling enough for people to go, wait, what? You dress me up, please. You got that?
Are Annie Clark and St. Vincent the same thing? Honestly, you'd have to ask her.
I came up with the moniker St. Vincent so that I could have the flexibility to be any number of things. I recorded a lot of my first album in my childhood bedroom, sitting at the computer like this. I'm gonna play the audio. It's so embarrassing. Oh, God. Make shame your friend, because there's no way to get good at something without being bad at it first. Just keep going, because everybody feels weird sometimes. Everybody feels like they don't fit in, but if you can speak to that in a way that's real, you can move the needle in a more empathetic direction for the world. I'm St. Vincent.
And I'm Annie Clark.
And this is my masterclass.